Hello everyone, welcome to Tips IT YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create partitions in Windows PC. Let's check this out. Okay, it's really simple. Just I am click this PC, double click, and you can see I have two partitions, one C partition and other D partition. Okay, now I am going to create another partition. How we can do this? It's really simple. First, right click on this PC and click manage. After click manage, it will open computer management window. Okay, then you can click disk management. In disk management, you can see I have two hard disk. Disk 0 means my SSD and disk 1 means my hard disk, normal hard disk. Okay, I am going to create a partition using this D drive. Okay, right click on D drive and click shrink volume. After click shrink volume, you can see these sizes, and in here enter the amount of space you to shrink in MB. Yes, in here it means you have to enter how much of capacity you need to create this new volume. Okay, I am entering actually I need a very little partition, then yeah, 20 GB. 20 GB means 20,000 MB. In here it's asking MB. I'll enter 20,000. It means 20 GB. Okay, after that you can click shrink. Right, you can see another new unallocated space created here. Right click on this, click new simple volume. In new simple volume wizard, you can click next, next, and in here you can select a driver letter. I'll select this one and click next. After that, next and finish. It's really simple. Okay, now close this all windows and go to this PC. Yes, in here you can see my new volume F. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Share this video to your friends. See you in next video. Thank you.